Slightly older tractor, that's for sure. Wait for him. Oh, get on the back. Out his way. It's definitely an older tractor. Definitely the VT in it, for sure. Oh, it's a big beast. The size of that. Cats on there. Massive. Well, they're just squeeze through there. Thank you for watching today's upload from Raimondo. I hope you enjoyed it. It was just a little bit of fun showing you different tractors on the roads around England. So please smash that like button, and if you're new here, subscribe to the channel and I will have more content in the future. And don't be afraid to check out the playlist. Thank you and goodbye.